how to use Microsoft Pilot Cowork. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Copilot and the new feature that it has brought you. Imagine having an AI that writes you emails, summarizes your meetings, analyzes your data, and even helps you build presentations in the matter of seconds. Now, that is exactly what Microsoft Copilot does for you. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually use it the right way for yourself. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to know how to use Copilot inside Word, inside Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and even Microsoft Teams. More importantly, you're going to learn how to think with Copilot. So you're not just using it, you're actually working faster and smarter. Now, to start things off, what is Microsoft Copilot? Let's simplify it. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant built directly into Microsoft 365 apps. Okay. It helps you write, analyze, summarize, and automate tasks inside the tools that you already use. But here's going to be the key. Copilot is not magic. It's only as good as the instructions you're going to give it. If you're absolutely vague, you will get weak results. If you're clear, it becomes insanely powerful for you. Now, moving on, we're going to work over to Cowork. Now, Copilot Cowork is a new way of getting work done. It's a new integration that they've added, and if you have used Copilot, you can see how it can help you find an answer or draft an email. The next step is just as important. You're going to turn that intent into real actions using Microsoft 365. Cowork is built for Copilot taking action. All right. So Cowork is you connecting your Copilot to other things. So first of all, let's move over to, let's say, Microsoft Word. Right now, as you can see, you're going to come over to Microsoft Word as so. Now, of course, you are going to want to make sure that you're signed in with your Microsoft account, because without being signed in, you will not be able to access the proper things you need for Word. All right. So always make sure you have access to these things. Now, I'm going to click on sign in. Once we sign in, you're going to sign in with your Microsoft account, something really important that you will need to do. Once you are signed into the account, we're going to go ahead and see how Cowork works across multiple apps, and each one has its own working unit and how you're going to be applying it for yourselves in these sections. Okay, so first of all, in Word, let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a blank document for myself. We're simply going to wait for it to load up. And once it loads up, what it's going to do is it's going to give us a blank document to basically work on with our things. One little step that you are going to want to keep on doing is sign in with your Microsoft account, because Microsoft is kind of like that. Now, over here in Word, let's say we want to go ahead and write a document like I am a student. Okay, we're gonna write in something like that. Now, these little autocorrects that you get in your Word, obviously that is Copilot telling you these things. Then moving on, you can go ahead and add in your merge formatting, select your proofing for help, different kinds of things that your normal Microsoft Word doesn't give you. This is obviously something that Copilot will help you with. And you can also go into Copilot and write, I'm on Word, and you can go ahead and write, want to write an essay or want to write a thesis on some specific thing, and I want to write a thesis on, let's go with C++. You're going to do that, and as you can see, it gives you a proper suggested thesis structure with the introduction, core concepts, applications, and different work ethics, where it's going to give you all these things. And as it goes on, you can work accordingly with this. So simply copy this, go ahead to your document, paste it right here. And as you can see, just like this, you can start working with Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft Word together by using Cowork. Then moving on, you can go ahead and work with it on Excel as well. And you can go ahead and quick chat it over here as well. So as we can see, here's our document opened up. Let's say I'm going to go and summarize or edit my Word document using open tabs. Just like that, you can summarize everything if you want to. It's just as simple and easy as that. Then moving on, we're going to go over to the Excel file for ourselves. All right. So we're going to come here. You're going to go over to your home where it's going to give you all these different applications. So let's move over to Excel. Okay. Let's jump over there. And as you can see, now it gives us the settings for editing spreadsheets. In Excel, it analyzes different types of data and creates formulas for you. So let's create a blank workbook for our Excel. Again, this is something you are going to want to do every time because Microsoft is just like that. So we're going to sign in with our Microsoft account real quick. And once everything is done and good to go, what you're simply going to do from there is whatever Excel file you have or any Excel spreadsheet that you want to work on, there isn't anything that your Copilot can do for you. So let's say over here, let's go with write what data or formulas are in book.xlsx. And as you can see, it will analyze the data, create formulas for you. So let's say I'm going to write it, generate a table for, let's say revenue in this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do that. And once you do that, as you can see, it will start loading in. And once that is done, as you can see, it will give us a whole table over here. So you can simply copy this table, come here, paste it, and there you go. You have a whole table right there and then. And these are, of course, the formulas for the tables that you can add for yourself. And once we add all these things, it's going to create the sums of them. It's going to create the quarters and write proper formulas. Then moving on, you can use it in the same way with PowerPoint, where it's going to build slides from text. You can use it in Outlook where it drafts proper emails and replies for you. And you can also use it in Microsoft Teams where it summarizes your meetings and discussions. You know, just like this, you can use Copilot's Cowork feature and make life so much easier for yourself on Microsoft 365. Even though it is pretty easy in Microsoft, you can make it much more easier and much more streamlined. And that's the best part about it. And here's a few pro tips to get better results. If you want real value from Copilot, focus on your prompts. Be clear, detailed, and specific with your instructions. You know, give context to who is this for, what tone do you want, what's the actual goal. Also, always review your outputs. AI speeds you up, but you're still in control. Most people either over rely on Copilot, don't use it properly, they accept outputs without actually checking it, or they give vague instructions and expect magic out of it. Use it as a tool, not a replacement for your brain. So now you pretty much know how to use Microsoft Copilot to improve your workflow. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.